On Saturday, June 18th, the City of Bayonne held an informational event at Fitzpatrick Park to raise awareness about family caregiving. There were many vendors that came out to show support and offer information about their services. Michelle Melendez is the founder of this first annual event and spoke with us about its importance and purpose.
Well, the event is organized through my nonprofit, Caregivers Empowered, which was registered as a nonprofit in June 2015. The mission of Caregivers Empowered is to raise awareness about family caregiver issues and support and educate our caregivers. There's over 40 million caregivers in this country, and we don't unfortunately have enough support for them, particularly for those that are suffering from caregiver stress. Many caregivers suffer from depression, stress. A lot of them have to leave their jobs because it's hard for them to provide care to their loved one and also work full-time. So there's a lot of issues that go along with caregiving that I feel that the community is not aware of. There's a lot of policies also in our country that need to be instituted to help support caregivers. I mean, there's 10,000 Americans turning age 65 every day, and over 90% of people want to age in place. They want to age in our home. So we need to provide education and support to our caregivers, as well as provide support to our home care staff. I mean, there's going to be a substantial need of home care workers as well. We need to work on making that an employment that is attractive for people to get into. There's a big demand for home care workers as well, and provide them with support and training to meet the demand that we have coming. I've been a licensed mental health professional for 20 years, managing programs and providing direct care, but really the nonprofit that I established really comes from my personal experience for taking care of my mom and realizing how there's limited services for caregivers in terms of a place where you can go right in your local community to get support and find out resources in your community that could help support you in your role. So there's a lack of that, and I recognize that in the community where I live in Bayonne, and established this nonprofit to provide support to other caregivers such as myself.
The family-friendly event had a DJ and face painting for children. We spoke with a few of the vendors about their services and what brought them out to show their support.
I'm here with Armas Realty from West New York, New Jersey. It's a company that's been in the business for over 25 years. We service all of Hudson and Bergen County. And I'm here today because I was speaking with Michelle Melendez, and she was letting me know about this wonderful event. And we were very happy to come and participate. It's turning out to be a lovely day. And we're glad we came. The people are wonderful, the weather's great, and it's a nice turnout.
Okay, so I'm here with Northeast New Jersey Legal Services, and we are located in Hudson, Passaic, and Bergen counties, and we are providers of legal service, free legal services to residents who live in all three of those counties that I mentioned before. In order to qualify, you would just have to call one of our three offices to see if you qualify based on your income. We also have our Senior Citizens Law Project that is a project that provides free legal services for seniors 60 and over.
Our company, we're called the Hyacinth AIDS Foundation. We service those who are HIV positive, but we also have services for those who aren't HIV positive, such as a drop-in center. People can come in there and wash clothes if they need to. If they're less fortunate, take a shower, and we actually provide one hot meal a day, actually. But our HIV services, basically, we have treatment adherence, we have legal services for clients, and we also have a syringe access program for those who are intravenous drug users also. Our whole goal is to stop the spread of HIV and hepatitis C.
Councilman at Large Juan Perez also came out to the event.
I'm part of the family partnership of Hudson County. I'm the chairman of the board. So we have our own table here. We also have the Alzheimer's here in New Jersey. These are items that people here in Bayonne are not aware of, that we can bring it to their attention, especially like the Hudson County Family Partnership Program. We're having a picnic on the 25th. We're going to have it at First Street Park here in June. So it's going to be great, and this is good. This opens the eyes to a lot of people. There's a lot of benefits that we have here.
The event was a huge success, and we are all very hopeful for the future ones to follow. From Bayonne, this is Deanna Adams with Hudson TV.